What is this Captain America information poster? I don't know, but this is not a real hero. Let's make something for a real hero, like me, the Red Guardian. Red Guardian is a much better than Captain America. So, we start make a document. Make document easy. Captain America can't even make simple document like this. Now, we have to change start pages to page and start number 2. Then it is 2 together. We create document. Now it's good, just like Captain America poster, but better. And we need picture. Red Guardian picture, good. This is good picture. Put it there. Make smaller. We need to make the picture small. I will scale it. There. Oh, but it changed. Then you have to double click it. And if you double click, you can change the size inside it. Make this smaller. Move it around. There. Have Red Guardian picture in there. Now we need informations and titles. We go here, we type the Red Guardian. We go make a box. It doesn't like if you click. You must make box. Drag box. We write the Red Guardian. There. Make title. Next, after make title, then we have to change font. Typeface that we use should be much better typeface. Let's use abolition face. Yes, excellent. And size, let's use 60 point size. Excellent size. And color should match Red Guardian color. So change this color. Double click, change to red for Red Guardian. Much better. And make this change so that it is on one line. We resize it. But Red Guardian is very tall. I am a hero, 6'2". So I need to accentuate my height. There. I will change in settings. I will adjust the height 200%. There we go. Much more exciting. That's better. And next we need to add informations and other notes. First, add a subtitle. We have big title, now we need subtitle. Go here, we change to Bungie font. Bungie is good font for subtitle. Then we write better here. Switch better than Captain America. Yes, excellent. And here we put next to that. Now we have font size. What size should it be? We don't want to be too small, but we want to be big enough that it will be readable, but without it being too big because it is subtitle. So we change to 16. 16 is nice, but we might need to change this one here, there, better. And we change this to match, line it up. Now this should line up. Maybe make 17 to line up. Boop. No, need 16.5. Let's try. Yes, excellent. It lines up now. And next, we need to add informations. Informations about who is this? Who am I? The Red Guardian. Born in Mother Russia. At the height of the glorious Soviet Union. The Red Guardian is the strongest, bravest hero in the world. Excellent. Now, Captain America use font Urbane. We will use Urbane font too, but we will do better than Captain America. Urbane, yes. But we use light font for our body text. Light. And we use gray, so it's not as strong. Change color here. We do 45%. Good. Now, add second box. I press Alt and drag down, make second box. Then I say, before becoming the Red Guardian. My name was Alexei, so I will add here. Alexei, last name Shostakov. I was a test pilot. Incredible test pilot. His death was faked in a clever ruse by the KGB to allow him to hide his identity and disappear, to train as a superhero to match Captain America. Yes, excellent. I drag down here. Now, we have a few things to change here. This is still a little bit too big. I like how big it is, but we need more room. So we will scale down a little bit so that I can make this have a bit more space for other things. Then I can move here, drag box to select all, and move it over. Bring down a little. Then I can take these, move over as fell, and then can make wider if I wish. I can make to line up. That's nice. Then, after I make these, I have to add important information. I will use this again for titles of different headings, but I will not use the same stretch. What I do, I take this, press Alt key, then drag with my mouse to create copy. You see, when I press Alt, it changed mouse to black and white mouse. Regular mouse, black and white mouse. That means I copy. Then go here, I change to back to 100. So not stretched anymore. And change to stats. So we know what is it that I am. And we will make center. So I go here, no, here, and here. There. Excellent. If you can't see these things, if you have trouble to see this, it does not look same, you go Window, Workspace, Typography Workspace. This is best workspace because it will allow you to make change to the typography. That is what we do for this. Then, now I have stats. We will add information to this. What will we add? Take different. I want slightly different. Urbane, but different. I will take this first. I will use thin. And I will use bigger. So change this to thin 17. And this will be list. So items like this will be listed like that. Not so bad. Move here, move here. Now, what do we do? How do I make bullet point? Is it possible to make bullet point? Yes, you can. Here, bullet point. This make bullet. But how do you make custom bullet? That is more difficult. You can change the settings. You would go style options here. It will open up many things, but bullets numbering is choice. And we select bullets. We select this and we add to that. Or simply press OK. Now it changed. But it changed all things. So then we have to make sure that this does not have bullet and this does not have bullet. So we turn bullet off for all other thing, but then have custom bullet for the thing we want. You don't have to have custom bullet if you don't want. I go here, change bullet off, go here, change bullet off. But now I have nice custom bullet with arrows to be more exciting. And I will also make the line spacing between this to be bigger. So go here and then in type I will change this. See how it makes taller spacings? This we will set to 32. 32 space, or maybe less, 30, 29. That's good. Now we can add stats. Height 6 foot 2 and weight 220 lb and eyes blue and group affiliation KGB. Real name Alexei. This I press shift and enter so it does not make bullet. Excellent. Have many nice list of informations about me now. And we change this so it does not look so it's a little bit easier to see. This starting to look good, I think. Now we have all this informations. We need new picture. So add another picture here. This is good picture of Red Guardian. And we put here. I will make smaller again. If I hold Control and scale, it will make scale both things. Control Shift, it will scale both things and maintain aspect ratio. That is what we want. And I will Control Shift scale so that it fits into there. Perfect. But need more room now. So I bring this up. Here. Excellent. I think I might need to make myself smaller. Control and Shift make small. Excellent. And move just a little bit here. Good. Oh, maybe move a little bit up. Excellent. Make these. And now add nice quote from me about important things. My quote is very important. We will use Urbane for quote as well. But this is why Urbane has many good options. We will go Object, bring to front, and we will change size after. I want to break something. This is good quote. This is very good quote. We make size different though and change typeface series to different variant. Let's go with white, so it has better contrast. Change to white, like that. And change size to 30. And change other series variant to bold italic. Excellent. Now very exciting. And move so that it is not blocking my beautiful face. Excellent. Lastly, I would like to adjust a few things just a little. I think headings should be slightly smaller point font, maybe 50 point. So change this to 50 point. This is a smart way to do this. You make everything lay out like this. Then, once you lay out, you make change. You can keep changing. You don't have to keep the same. You try different things. You look at it. You say, oh, maybe I should try different color. Maybe I should try different series. Maybe I should move this here. Maybe I should move this there. You line things up, and eventually it will be good. This I will make sure is in center. If I hold shift and move it, it will make line. Then I know it is center. But these two also need to be center. So I go like this. Now I know they are in middle too. Next, other thing to do, I think would be nice, is add a line to, inspired by Russian constructivism, I will add nice, strong red color here. Change this to red and zoom in. Press Alt and mouse wheel to zoom in and make this down. Make this down too. Now, nice strong lines inspired by the strength of the Russian heart. Now check spellings. Spellings is always important. Everything seems good. This is excellent page. And go view Overprint Preview to see what it will look like without thing. Then go view and grids and guides, hide guides. Now I can see exactly what it will look like when printed. These look very nice. I think I will make a little bit higher here. Move this up. I think I will change this to next line so that it is not cut off. And I will make this, and I will increase line spacings just a little bit. So go here, increase the line spacings. It will be easier to read if I have line spacings different. Then can bring down and I will turn guides on again. Overprint Preview and guides. Now, important to look, you have rulers. You can make ruler, go view, rulers, show rulers. If it is not shown, press show rulers. So view, show rulers. Now you have rulers. You can use to align, so you make sure this is all nicely lined up. I can see here the text not lined up. So move this here. That's better. Then I also have another ruler this way. I can see here the foot of the man, Red Guardian, is lining up with, so my foot is lining up here with the end of the sentence. Make sure I add period to end of sentence. And so do not line up box, line up text. That is important. It is the actual things that you want to line up, not the boxes. You have to look at what the thing's actual shape is and line that up. Here, bring ruler down. Can see this is not quite lined up. So bring it down, place. Here, we bring this to line up nice. Excellent. And we can bring these, lift up, 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 up. I use arrow key up, arrow key down, arrow key left, arrow key right. I can use to move up, down, up, down. That allows me to adjust. Now, this looks very nice. This looks very, very nice. View, overprint preview again, and hide rulers, or no, hide guides we want to go. So we go to grids and guides, hide guides. Oh, that looks beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Do not forget to save. So go File, Save As, and save it in important location that you know where to find. Red Guardian. Typography assignment by Red Guardian. Done. Now, other page important too. This is the main page, but there's other important page, which is about font and why you use. So, next part of video, we'll talk about that thing. This second page, you can copy a lot of the types you already designed to make second page. Don't need to make again, because you already made. So just use again. We just select, and you can go Control C or Command C on Mac, and then Control V or Command V. Or, even easier, Alt and click it to drag to new space. And then same here, I need one of these, and I will need this. Actually, I will need both these. I bring this, and so change this. This will be about abolition typeface. And if it disappear like that, it means not big enough. So make wider. Go here, make nice and wide. For this, I will go centered, I think. It will be better. Center alignment. It will look like a beautiful communist propaganda poster. I think that will be very good. And next, this one will be by the Red Guardian. Excellent. This I will put to the left. Next, we'll move this over here. Move this here. Why abolition? Question. This is important. You must explain why choose. Captain America doesn't think carefully enough about his decisions. We must explain very carefully why it was chosen and what we want. Also, we must maybe change this so that this is centered. Let's move this to the middle, and then we can move this here. Excellent. Next, we will have text. Bring this there, and then we will have to explain. This is where we explain things. Next, I will build second part. I have to talk about fonts used. I will use this again. Alt click to drag. I think I will move up a bit here. The fonts used. Make smaller, like this. Then I must explain fonts I used. Last, I will need to have is description of why. So I take this, bring down one more time. How I used the series question. This is also very important. Bring this like that. How I use the series here, shrink, and now that is good shape. I have information will go here and information will go here. I will need more space though. I think I will bring this down. And then last I will bring down the different fonts used. I used Abolition, 60 point, red, stretched, but this is very big, so I might change this one to be a bit smaller. I think also I will use this to be left justify instead. Left like this. And then I can move to align all of the text together. Like this. So this one very big. Next one, not so much. This one, Abolition, again, 50 point. Red. Excellent. This also I change here, left justify. Excellent. Next, I try go from biggest to smallest. So next is this big one, the urbane size. Problem is that I cannot see, so I will change to black background. Change this, black. Now I can see the font. Make it like this. This is urbane, 30 point. Bold, italic, series, white. Excellent. I think I need to move left a little, so there's more room. I think it's 30 point. Double check. Yes, 30 point. Next, we have bungee. Notice I just copy from before. I just take, copy, bring down, easy. Then I write bungee, and I can look up here. I can look to see what it says. So bungee, this one is bungee, regular, 16.5 point, black. Excellent. Now only two more. Which ones? This one, which is the bullet point, urbane, thin, .17 point. I may need to make longer, like this. 17 point, black, custom bullet. Perfect. Last is the other urbane font. This is actually light gray, not black. And this also urbane. Light. 12 point. 45% gray. Excellent. Now I move this to like that, and I space out so that they look nice. This needs more room. Excellent. Almost finished. Now I must explain. In here, I will explain first. So, why abolition? Well, abolition is tall and strong. So I say the typeface is tall and strong, like me. It looks modern and industrial, like the glorious Soviet Union. I stretched the title to emphasize how tall I am. Excellent. Make a bit more. It is important to make sure you have room to breathe around everything. You do not want so close that you cannot walk between. So, like this, not good. Like this, not good. Need to have space. So, give space. This, a little bit tight, but I have a lot of thing to put, so I make as best I can. Next, I will take same. I will copy this one. Hold Alt, drag down, and hold Shift to keep it straight. How did I use series? Well, many ways. I use series many ways. But what I will say, I think, is should talk about why I did not just use abolition. I use other fonts too, other typeface. So why use those? Well, abolition does not have any variants. So I used some other matching fonts or typefaces, such as Urbane, which is clean, modern, and has many variants. I wanted my titles to have a big impact, so I made sure to use a light, small point, and gray colored font for the body text. Now, I kept typing. Why did I keep typing? Well, because it's still there. It just didn't show up yet. It's because I need more room. I will lift up. I may need to adjust spacings. So here I go back to text and I change the line spacing so it will fit better. And that is a good poster showing the typefaces, excellently chosen and much better than Captain America. Thank you for watching. I hope that you learned something.